Hello friends, in this class I will show you how to print a table of any number. Now create a variable of integer type and create another variable called sum is equals to 0. Now ask from user to enter a number for table. Enter a number for table. Store it in the variable n. N equals to convert dot to int console dot read line. Now create a for loop for tap create I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 10 and I plus plus. Now in for loop write sum is equals to n multiplied by I. Now print the value of sum. Now we have to print the format of table. Now I create the placeholder for n multiply. Now create a placeholder for I 1 n multiply I equals to create another placeholder for this variable sum 2. Now write these variables name in sequence. We have this first placeholder for n, so write n. The second placeholder is for I and the third is for sum. In this way we can print the table of any number which user want to print. So run this application, Control F5, enter a number for table. So let's suppose it will be 3. Now see the table of 3. Let's try another table. 12, enter. See the table of 12 is printed. In this way you can create an application to print the table of any number. And as always, if you have any query, any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment section. Take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers, and bye for now.